severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind and The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Douglas County in east central Kansas, northern Franklin County in east central Kansas, northern Lyon County in east central Kansas, northeastern Morris County in east central Kansas, northern Osage County in east central Kansas, Shawnee County in east central Kansas, Waubonsee County in east central Kansas, southwestern Jefferson County, southeastern Pottawatomie County, southeastern Riley County, until 11:45 p.m. At 11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Westmoreland to 8 miles northwest of Topeka to 5 miles west of Tonganoxie, moving south at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Woolard, Tecumseh, Lecompton, St. George, Maple Hill, Southern Topeka, Paxico, Pauline, Lawrence, Barreton, McFarland, Dover, Eudora, Clinton Lake, Clinton, Auburn, Keene, Alma, Richland, Lone Star, Pleasant Grove, Vinland, Carbondale, Scranton, Philand, Overbrook, Globe, Eskridge, Baldwin City, Harveyville, Burlingame, Centropolis, Alta Vista, Wellsville, Pomona Lake, Osage City, Linden, Ottawa, Pomona. This includes the Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 148 and 205. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 186 and 199. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 317 and 355. Prepare for large hail, damaging winds and very heavy rain if you are in the path of this storm. For your safety, take cover inside a building now. Stay tuned to weather radio or local media outlets for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas, Douglas, and Franklin. The National Weather Service in